Alright, now we will begin setting up our photon. So as you can see, I've already plugged into a power source and I've made an account on the Particle website, which you can get to by going to spark.io/start. So from there, make an account and then you can go to the app, which will be on the screen in just a second after I log in. If you don't have an account, you can make an account on the app, which should be available for iPhones, Android, and other smartphones. And if you don't have a smartphone, you can do it online. So if you just set up your account, you'll be greeted by a screen that says your devices, which will be blank. So you'll want to click plus and set up a photon. On screen here it says time to set up your photon, please power it on, which we've done. The indicator should blink blue, which it is. So we'll click ready, permission needed, got it, allow, and the photon we see is photon 9ZQ3. That's probably it. So now we're connecting to photon. And you can see it's still blinking blue right now. In my case, I'll manually enter a Wi-Fi that I wanted to connect to and click connect. In this case, my Wi-Fi that I'm connecting to does not require a password, so it's not really an issue. Alright, now that our photon is connected to the Wi-Fi, we will see that the light is no longer blinking, but rather a solid cyan color, which means it's connected to the Wi-Fi and running. So we'll go back to our app now, and we can see that it's listed under our devices, and the type is also listed. So if you have different types, you can see which one's which. And of course, you can name the device when you set it up, so you have that to also help you know which is which. In my case, I named it Daniel Baniel Photon, which is a nickname I have. In hindsight, I should probably have named it something else for the sake of this video. But you can tap on your device and see all the pin inputs. You can tap on any of the inputs. We'll use A1, and you can set it to analog read. You'll tap it again to output the value it's at right now, and you can do this with multiple at once. So we'll just use A1 and A2. You have to tap it to refresh the value, which is actually pretty handy. That way you don't have it constantly changing values when you don't want it to. So, for our sake, I'll touch my hand to A1 and A2 and update A1 and update A2. A1 did not seem to change too much. Oh, there it goes. I don't think I was touching it enough. But as you can see, they both changed dramatically when I touched them. So I'll let go, and I'll just update the values once again, and you can see they've gone back up. So another thing that we can do is write values. And one of the values we can write is on D7, which has an LED. So we'll tap that, and tap digital write, and tap it again to turn it on. High is on for the LED and low is off. And once you're done messing around, say you've done a bunch and you're not really sure what you want to do now, like you've just got a bunch of different pins on, you want to turn them off, just tap on the top right corner of reset all pin functions, and in theory they're all reset, so you can reactivate them or turn them off. And if you have any difficulties with your photon, I would highly recommend going to spark.io and looking through their troubleshooting guides. They're fairly easy to follow, and you shouldn't have any difficulties. Thanks for watching.